Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is business risks. Risk is the chief characteristic of business. The predominance of this feature is business is because of the continuous business activities in future, and the future is identified and uncertain. Uncertainty is the mother of risk. Nobody can say that it with any amount of uncertainty as what is going to be happen in tomorrow. In the context of business, some example of risk can be like this: a decline of sale due to the sudden change in the taste of the consumer, entry of many competitive firms in the market, and decline in profit, stopping the production due to the workers' strike, damage caused by earthquake, theft, etc. The possibility of loss in business is called business risk. It will be wrong it is considered loss as risk, because risk is not a loss but it is a possibility. And what is the nature of business risk? It is important to understand the nature of risk in order to study the business risk. The following are the some of the important facts connected with the nature of business risk. First, risk is the result of uncertainty. Risk is the outcomes of uncertainty. Uncertainty can either be human, business, natural. About all these three of the following can be satisfied: human uncertainty, business uncertainty, and natural uncertainty. Next, risk is unavoidable. It is difficult to come out of the integrating web of business risk that only the region of its that business is carried on for the future, and future is uncertain. Yes, risk is can be certainly be minimized. Next, degree of risk varies with the size of the business. The degree of risk is less in small sized business as compared to the degree of risk in the big business. Next, profit is considered of risk taking. Whatever the businessman get for taking risk is profit. The greater the risk, the more is possibility of profit. And the last, risk depend on the nature of business. The amount of risk depend on the nature of business. In the business of daily utility, think like salt, pearls, in the amount of risk less. On the other hand, in business where the thing governing fashion are sold, amount of risk is greater. Fashion change quick, the unsold stock cause a loss because of the fall in price. Next, causes of risk. The business risks are created by many human being natural powers. Apart from this, there can be other causes of it. For example, physical cause, economic cause, government policies, etc. For the convenience of study, they can be divided into the category of natural causes, human causes, economic causes, and other causes. So first, what is natural cause? These include those causes which are beyond the power of the man. Man can be only think about them and cannot say anything definitely about them. To check them in simply impossible, they can be divided into three parts: seasonal change, geological change, and other natural calamities. Next, human causes. Man has an important role to play the creating business. It includes all the causes born out of human carelessness, dishonest impatience, and lack of intelligence. Thus, the checking that these risks created by man is profitable for the entire society and the country. The risk can be checked with the help of caution, honesty, patience, application of wisdom. Human cause can be divided into the following four parts: dishonest by the employee, and dishonest by the customer, strike and lockout, and working carelessly. Next, economic causes. They are related to the change taking place in the market. The following change often take place in the market: change in fashion, change in price, effect of the competition, providing facilities to the consumers, etc. And last, other causes. They can divide it into the following part: means natural causes, technical cause, mechanical cause, and marginal cause. Means marginal cause management sole business on the entire business. It is here that the policy are framed, and it is because inefficiency of the manager is not capable of framing the favorable policy business at is risk. Technical causes: the arrival of technically new machine in the market replacing the old machine is the technical cause of the creation of business at risk. Thank you.